I don't know. That's the thing. It's all like made and ready, but I think Amanda said we need to like.
Today we are cooking some of the recipes that we've gathered from our cookbook project. And our cookbook is raising awareness for ovarian cancer and all of the disruption that it's caused the OFP community.
Steve Wilson, the founder and creator of the Opportunity Fund project, came to me over break with the idea to do an ovarian cancer awareness cookbook in collaboration with the Opportunity Fund project. So I really wanted to get involved with ovarian cancer awareness. Unfortunately, my best friend was diagnosed and recently passed away of ovarian cancer, so it was something that was really important to me when I got to school to be involved with.
The name of the cookbook is going to be a cookbook for Maya, which is for Lauren's best friend from home.
Oh, okay. I mean, we'll be there to talk about it, but I don't know.
I'm making my kale salad, which my family loves, so I'm excited to have my own cooking. But aside from that, I'm excited to try the mac and cheese.
I'm looking forward to trying, actually one of the girls up there that's cooking, she's making a coffee cake recipe that is her mom's coffee cake recipe that she loves. And our professor, Steve, his wife, is also making a whole bunch of things, and I'm really excited to try all of those. I want to make sure that the UConn community feels welcome and feels supported, and I believe that that starts in the business school. Specifically for me, being a finance major, I think that women deserve to have the opportunity to be in investments, but more than that, it's about community.
We've been really pushing our mission of offering support to those who've been affected by any sorts of cancer, because we all have a connection to it.
We are looking to raise awareness for ovarian cancer in any way that you can possibly support us through donations. We have a page on the Ovarian Cancer Coalition website. Please support us in any way. Reach out to us. We would love to just teach more about ovarian cancer and bring it to light.
If it even helps one person, then it's definitely going to be considered a win on our part.